So this is the end of day short analysis or sell analysis for the pound CAD. This is being done on Thursday the 19th of October. This sell is an hypothetical sell based on the indicator on the chart, which provides signals that can be seen based on these triangles, the black signals being short signals and the red triangles being long signals. These signals are being given on the daily chart. So, as with the signals and this overall system, the stop is placed at the low or the high at the signal candle, which in this case it is a short signal. And let's just get it on the chart. So there it is. There's the short signal, and the stop would be placed at the hypothetical stop, because this isn't a trade recommendation. The hypothetical stop would be placed, if I can get this chart moving. The hypothetical stop would be placed at, let's just see where that is, the height, which was 65.38. So, oh, actually, what am I doing here? No, I would like to delete this. Here it is. So, hypothetical stop, hypothetical stop was at 165, 38, 165.38. Okay. So let's get HP, please. Oh my word. These autocorrect. Hypothetical stop. Okay. Yep. Hypothetical stop would be at 65.38, and potential targets on this to the downside. Well, if we look at this chart here, we do have we did find support here at the 50 period moving average. Currently, the 50 period moving average, where is it at present? We've got the 50 period moving average sitting at 63.64. So again, we're looking at our potential take profit. The first take profit would potentially be was it 63.48 or something? 163. Let's just say 63.48. 163.48. Let's just see where we are. That's taking a bit longer than I hope. 63.64, but 63.48, and beneath which the next level where we would likely find support is at 160. 160 being a nice round number and a very prominent number most recently, and these are all hypotheticals. These are not trade recommendations. We're looking at potentially for prices to go all the way down to 160 on this daily chart. But when I have a look at the higher time frames, I will show you why I'm a bit cautious about potentially taking this. So what actually supports prices going down? So we've had our highs here most recently. These highs did actually come off the 200 period moving average, and again we've had more selling off the 200 period moving average. We're in a bit of a contraction at the moment as we are being supported by the 50 period moving average underneath, so prices may oscillate between these 2 points before an eventual breakdown, if that's if we do break into the direction of the candle, of the signal candle. But overall, I'd probably say it's more likely it would break upward in price, but the signals to the downside. So let's have a look at downside targets. So if we have a look at the weekly chart, see where we are. On the weekly chart, we have found support in around that 160 region. So that is a good area to potentially take profits if we do break down further from here. On the weekly chart, however, as we have found support at 160, and we did have, to your left here, a strong bullish candle on the pretty much the week that opened on the 11th of September. I'd say it's more likely that a bull flag would form here, and a continuation possibly up to this 400 period moving average sitting at 170 would have been the next likely outcome. But as the signal is to the short side, 160 is our target. And yeah, let's just have a look at the monthly time frame again. I suppose the monthly is going to be similar to the weekly, showing support at 160. And again, on this monthly, let's just move this box here. On the monthly, we do see it's pretty clear here that we do have a lot of buying in around that 160 round number, and prices do look likely to head upwards, especially in light of the month of September being a very strong candle, which closed pretty close to its highs. We are seeing a bit more retracement than we would like off the monthly time frame, but it is still a strong candle nonetheless. So that should wrap up the hypothetical buy analysis. No, sell analysis. Let's get this correct. Sell analysis for the pound against the Canadian dollar. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.